Hi everybody, Ali Mom here. I thought that today I would open up another box for you guys. Today I have my college crate. It's a microwave, basically snack crate. So there'll be a lot of different things that are microwavable and other different types of snacks that are perfect for me for work and for my kids for their quick lunches and stuff. So let's open it up and see what I got. I ordered it off of Amazon the other day. Came same day delivery, so that was kind of cool. There's 50 items inside the box. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. There's a little my college crate card. It's all wrapped up, taped up, and it is packed full of stuff. You can see we've got some cheddar bacon, TGI Fridays, potato skins, and tons of candies, Skittles, Twizzlers, different types of Skittles, Starburst, Twizzlers, beef stick, Pop-Tarts, got some good old KD, more meat sticks, nuts, Pringles, there's microwave popcorn in here, Rice Krispie squares, and on and on and on. I think, fruit snacks, got a bunch of ramen, so not too bad. There's lots and lots of snacks for me for work, and lots of good stuff for the kids. Cost me 50 bucks, that's not too bad. All this for 50 bucks. Gotta like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Have a good day.